going back up.
I'm going upstairs. Back to the fifth floor, boys.
Jesus.
Save up there. Last time, before we head up, we're going to go look over here. Look at how quickly the waves are rolling in. This is just the beginning. You can clearly see, I don't know if you can see on the cameras, you can clearly see that the sand is just blowing. It is blowing from left to right now. The air is just taking it. And the waves are just rolling in. It's beautiful. It's fucking beautiful. Let's go ahead and hit four.
3. Huh? Yeah, we did too. It went out the stairs. What are you doing walking around? We're on our way. Yeah, we did too, babe. I said to go out permanently here in a while.
Beer 30, baby, beer 30.
Unless we're running on generators.
Floor getting flooded.
Yeah, it's like Titanic. After the storm, it must get calm. We would have picked a heck of a week, guys. we didn't know.
Oh well,
Hurricane or tropical storm Claudette. Panama City Beach, Florida, August 16, 2009. It is whipping. Them are palm trees. I'd say wind gusts are probably 60 miles an hour. I seen that.
yeah.
I seen that.
I like some floors have power and some don't.
Has to be on generators.
Yeah.
Y'all see that, babe? Do you see it? It was that power box. Plus the line came down. It was that thing. Yeah. I see it. Some floors have power and some don't. Come on, baby, come down.